please take care not to let them fall down the side of the seat. And if you use this device overheating, please notify a member of the cabin crew immediately. For more information, please visit qatarairways.com.
سيداتي وسادتي، في حال كان ذلكم مواطنين للواجه وكيما ضمن إجراءات وقاية فيروس كورونا المستجد، فنرجو منكم التأكد من إزالة واقي الوجه والكمامة قبل ارتداء قناع أكسجين في حال انخفاض الضغط، وشكرا.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wearing a face shield and face mask due to the current COVID-19 pandemic, kindly ensure that you remove your face shield and face mask prior to putting on the drop-down oxygen mask, only during a decompression. Thank you.
Your safety is our priority. Please follow these steps when traveling. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water.
Those for departure and cross-check.
وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. So, who we got in there? Catherine? No? Lewandowski needed? Three coach? Lewandowski. Okay. Listen up. So you all know why we're here. We got a wicket, coach. No. Tell them what. Waiting to make an airline scene.
وجهتكم وإذا ما سلامتكم نرجو حضراتكم المحافظة على التأتية تباعد الجسدي في جميع أوقات والبقاء في مقاعدكم خلال الرحلة، وفي حال الحاجة لاستخدام دورة مياه يتجنب امتلاك المجموعات، وصلوا حضور أيضا الأفراد الطاقم الذي يصدر معدات الحماية الشخصية وذلك لضمان توفير أفضل مستوى من الحماية والحياة بمولدات راحة سواء. ونجمعكم تم التردد في التواصل مع أحد الأفراد الطاقم في القادة لأي مساعدة. شكرا لكم على حسن استماعكم.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to take a moment to advise you about our service on board today. At Cat Airways, we take our commitment to your safety, comfort, and well-being very seriously. With that in mind, our service has been temporarily modified. You will receive a protective kit containing a face mask, gloves, and sanitizer. The face mask must be worn throughout the flight and may only be removed when you're eating or drinking. The face mask must also be worn while you disembark the aircraft until you reach your final destination. For your safety, we ask that you maintain physical distance and remain seated during the flight. If you wish to use the washroom, we request that you avoid queuing. You'll also notice that our crew are wearing protective equipment. This is to ensure that both you and your crew maintain a high level of protection. Please feel comfortable to reach out to your crew if you require any assistance. We thank you for your understanding.
Initial ground sorry coverage is ready for departure. Requesting all ground persons to leave the aircraft immediately. We'd also like to
fastened and visible to cabin crew. Offside. No way around.
Seriously, Rob, get a grip.
For safety reasons, with the exception of handheld PEDs in flight mode, the use of electronic devices is not permitted on takeoff and